Ever wondered if there's more to life than the traditional 9-5 grind? The predictability, the lack of freedom, the endless cycle? Is there a better way? A way to take control of your time, your life? Imagine a world where you decide when to work, not your boss. Intrigued? Meet individuals who have broken free from the 9-5 chains. These are people just like you and me who dared to dream of a different kind of work life. Take Anna, for instance. She traded her stressful corporate job for a live chat role, and she's never been happier. Why? Because she now has the flexibility to work at her own pace, on her own terms, and more importantly, on her own time. And then there's James. He was tired of the commute, the office politics, and the rigid work hours. Now, as a live chat agent, he enjoys a work-life balance that was merely a dream in his previous job. We also have Maria, who enjoys the personal growth that comes with being her own boss. She sets her own goals, makes her own decisions, and reaps her own rewards. These individuals have redefined their work lives. They are no longer employees, they are their own bosses. Ready to redefine your work-life balance? Discover live chat jobs, a blend of engaging conversations, potential earnings that can surpass traditional roles, and the liberty to set your own hours. Step into the future of work. Step into the world of live chat jobs. Ready to break free? Imagine shaping your work life around your lifestyle, not the other way around. Live chat jobs could be the transformation you've been seeking. Click the link in the description for more information. Your future awaits.